How to redeem Roblox gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can redeem your Roblox gift card. Now it can be on your phone or your PC game, however the process is same. All you want to do is you want to head into your browser. Now if you want to redeem a gift card, first head into your browser and there you can search in for redeem Roblox gift card. In my case you can see I've already searched for it and you can see very first link there, Roblox gift cards option. You can simply tap on it and the links will open up. Now here you can see an interface like this where it says shop gift card. However, at the top right corner you can see the redeem gift card option. Now you can select a region here if you want, and at the right hand side of the region you can see the redeem gift card option. Simply tap on redeem card and it should ask you to log into your account. Now once you log in, you'll get an option to redeem your gift card and you'll be able to redeem it here. So this way you can easily redeem Roblox gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issue.